Welcome back to another video. Today is Sunday. It has been raining since morning. About a week ago, someone sent me a DM on Instagram saying that she had tried my plantain chips recipe, but she used the ripe plantain. I was telling her which one she should use, but she wasn't getting it. Over here I have 3 different shades of ripe plantain, so I'm going to fry each of them separately so that she would understand, so that you also understand, so that I'll also understand and know which type of plantain or ripe plantain that we can use when we want to make the ripe plantain chips. So I have here my salty water, and on fire is my oil, and these are the 3 different shades of plantain like I said earlier. So I'm going to start by peeling the plantain. So I'm going to add a spoonful of the salt solution to it. Okay, I'm adding, I'm using 1.5. Because I have added some salt into the oil earlier on when I was frying the first one, I'm going to reduce it by half. So I'm using 1 spoonful. I'm going to remove them from the oil. Adding the last one. Did you hear the noise? It's going to rain. The third one, the plantain was half slit by nature. So I had to remove that part. That is how you are seeing it like this. So I am adding a small amount of salt. And so this is how it looks after a day. Yeah, I was too sick yesterday, so I couldn't complete, but the first one, I will show you which one is soggy, but the other 2, they are all crispy. I hope you can hear it. But this one is very soggy, and I want to believe with this I have been able to answer your question. God bless you all for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and when you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me. I also sell these. As you can see, it's a placemat. So if you make an order in any color, I will make it for you.